This was a bummer, something that I forgot to think about. Sometimes it's better to plan ahead and think about what you're doing and how you're going to do it, not just run through it. But what's fun without some problems, and this helps us being grumpier. Let's think about this and rearrange. Houston, we've got a problem. Big problem. We got the machine to work, the motor to work, and even to spin, but it's spinning the wrong direction. We need to rethink everything and rechange everything. If you look at it, the motor is working, but it's spinning in wrong direction. We need it to spin in the other direction. So we have to remount everything and rework it. Let's think about how we are going to do that. What we are facing now is brain failure. Technical terms, we call it stupidity. I can be an idiot from time to time. No, don't be like my wife. It's not all the time. It's only sometimes. So I ripped everything apart because the motor was running in wrong direction. Then I got to think, which I do once in a blue moon, that it wasn't, or I had the same problem with the old motor when I put it on the sewing machine. And go figures, what I should have done was RFM, you know that term. Of course, the motor can be turned in the right direction. So now we'll mount it again, just in the same position, and see if we can get everything up and running and working in the way it's supposed to be. Let's go to it. I'll have to unplug everything first. Okay. Where do we start in this? That's not the right one. Here we have the right one. I was thinking about changing belts, but that is not going to be needed anymore. So I can hopefully just put on the old belt again. A little bit tricky to getting them off. The main problem that we are facing is that this table is not made for this machine. It's for an old sewing machine. Got it with the machine, it was a one combo. And that is basically what is giving us problems. We will have to later on rebuild everything, build a new table and everything. So we will get this working in the right way. Okay. Belt number 1 and belt number 2. Okay. We've got that. Then we can position the machine again, or the motor again. Let's do it this way. Think we make it this time? I don't know. We'll see. That remains to be seen. belt in position. There it is. That should be just about right. Problem is getting to this bolt here to tighten it a little bit. That should be tight enough. So far so good, as they say. Connect this one. We can connect this one. And we can connect this one. And we want to connect it right this time. And now it is for the foot pedal. That is our problem still. It's not exactly the way I wanted it. Turn it around. That will be more in the middle, but will it be better? Yes, I think so, even though it's not really good. But I think it's gonna make my life a little bit easier. And who doesn't need a little bit easier life? So, this works the way it's supposed to be. Now for the coupling here, need this to go here, and then we basically need to go underneath there. Not sure what is the best way. This is, will this hold? That is a good question. Connect. And yes, the electricity did not go out. Okay. Turn it on. Motor running the right way. Then we have to get this one in the right position. Okay, got it to set the right way. And whoa, it is working. Let's find some scrap of leather. And let's see, does it work? Nope, it doesn't work because I mixed up one thing. Of course, I was trying to put it in the wrong place. Okay, let's see if we can get it right this time. I think we did. Okay, let's check it out. Everything is turning the way it's supposed to. And whoa! Well, it's working, maybe too good. Now we need to fine-tune things. Okay. See if that's better. Oh yeah, see there? It is working. Seems like we need to get the hang of this, but at least the machine is working, the motor is working the way it's supposed to be. One more try, and let's see. Whoa, that didn't go so well. Maybe. At least it's working the way it's supposed to work. So, we finally did it. Unbelievably, but we did it. The machine is working, the motor is working, and we're going to have fun with it in the future. Now off for fine-tuning. So if you like this video, subscribe and like it, and stay tuned. There will be coming more videos in the future. I am preparing a series of videos of this here. The big block of boxes. What's in them remains to be seen. See you later.